What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the rear door speaker on this 2001 BMW 325 Xi. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description, head over to 1AAuto.com. I'm going to take this window switch out first. Just take a straight blade screwdriver, get underneath here. You can also use a trim tool. Slide this up. There's two little tabs that hold it in. Disconnect the connector right there. Just wiggle it out. Now we're going to take a trim tool, take this trim off, just slide underneath here. Just carefully pry it out. There's clips that hold it on in the back, and the clips stayed in with the panel. That's okay. Take these two little trim covers off. Just use a straight blade pocket screwdriver. Pull that one off. We'll do the same with this one. I'm going to take these screws out. There's 5 screws, 2 up there, 1 in there, and then 2 underneath this handle. I'm going to use a T20 socket, extension, and a ratchet. Keep in mind, this screw is a long one right there. Once you loosen this one up, I'm just going to take a small magnet, pull that screw out. Go underneath here, get these two. Now there's push pins that hold this door panel on, so we're just going to use a door trim removal tool, or trim removal tool. Get underneath here, and just pry out. You might need to use a couple of them. Just pop them, just like that. Go all the way around the door. Just like that. We'll grab the door panel, just slide up. Just like that. There is some clips. So with those clips, you actually don't want to slide up, you want to pry them out. So keep that in mind. Disconnect the speaker right here. Just squeeze that. Take this power wire for the window switch. Just take a trim tool, get underneath the wire retainer, pop it off. And then right here, just slide. This is for the door latch on the inside. Just slide that out, just like that. To remove the speaker, I am gonna support the grill on the other side. Just hold that as I grab the speaker and just twist. If you have to, you can grab it by these little nubs right here and just twist it. Like that, it just unscrews. Now supporting the grill with my other hand, take the speaker, just line up the threads, get that started, and just snug it up. Not too tight. Once it gets snug, it's good enough. This wire we're gonna fish through here. That's gonna go for the window switch. Make sure that's in the right position before you put this back together. It's good like that. Then we want to connect this right here. This one's gonna connect to the speaker. Plug that in. And then take the cable for the handle. You want to make sure the handle is not open. Keep it closed. Just line this up. It's going to slide in like that. Lock in position, and then just double check it. Make sure it works and it's working properly. Make sure your wire's through here. And then if any of these clips have popped out, you're gonna wanna take them out of the door panel. Take the lock rod, slide that in position there. Line these all up. Once everything's lined up, just give it a push. That's good. All right, I'm gonna take the screws and a T20 socket extension and a ratchet. I'm gonna get all these screws started first before I tighten them down. And then this last one, this is the long one. It's gonna go right here. Once I get all of those started, go back and snug them all up. Take these two little trim pieces. They're gonna slide in like that first, and then lock in place. Same with this one, just like that. Take this trim piece right here. This is gonna slide in down here, and then line those tabs up, just like that. Push it on. And that's all the way down. All right, take the connector. There is a little tab on the connector that lines up with the switch. Slide that like that. And then make sure you slide the switch in properly. Don't put it in upside down. Lock it in place.
Thanks for watching. Visit oneauto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.